Welcome back. I've recycled something from the microwave. Here it is, the fan from the microwave. As you can see, you got the ground wire. You've got the brown and the blue, and the earth it goes up, along, plugged in. It's blowing some nice fresh air out. Hooks onto the motor there. Goes through there, up onto there. And you see there we got screw. And the wires come out, hook onto there. And you got the ground wire to ground the motor. See it spinning nicely? See, it goes onto the bed like that. There is wind coming out, you see if I get this. Comes out quite nicely. And I have more things from the microwave. Transformer. Rock hard. This, you've got to be very careful with this bit. Circuit boards. Where's the other one? Where is it? Yeah, this one. It's a bit hard to see, but I know. See, there it is. There's a capacitor. This is from the microwave. Transformer. Danger, high voltage. See about that, won't we? Got all ceramics under there. Cable over there. 2 brown ones. And a nice fan. But I can use the fan. Use it on very nice things. But I must never touch this because it will hurt. So you see all the copper winding, and that motor is quite heavy and it's hooked into there. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave a like. As always, thanks for watching. Goodbye.